So guys, saying is here one more timing game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So guys, in today's video, we are solving our question number 626 by the name of exchange seeds. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question 626 by the name of exchange seeds. And we are solving this question in MySQL by the way. And there's two choices, if we solve in pandas or if we solve in MySQL, but I suggest you to solve in MySQL where it is easy to understand and you will be in the some line of code you will be solve this question. So let's try to solve this question, but let me tell you how many people have submitted it. Total 5 lakh 4,000 people have submitted it, only 3 lakh 67,000 has been accepted. And in these type of topics, there is only one topic has been included by the name of database. So in today's video, there is also only one topic has been included by the name of database. So yeah. So now let's move computer screen. Let's start today's video. And now let's move to computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start today's video. In today's video, I'm telling you about we are solving a question number 626 by the name of exchange of seats. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video anyway. So now let's start to solve it. Now, table here he created one table by the name of seat, and first of all we see the some SQL scheme and pandas schema. So first of all we see the SQL scheme because we are solving this question in SQL, so we must see that. Okay, so now let's open it. So it is one SQL scheme. Here you can see it. Now there's one data. If you think there is one data which has been stored here. Okay, now here you get one table of the seat in which there is a column name by the name of ID and student, which the type of this ID is int, means integer, and of this column name means student type is voucher. Okay, ID is one primary key, means unique value column for this table. Each row of this table indicates name and the ID of a student. The ID sequence always starts from 1 and increments continuously. Now, what is our task in today's video? We want to write a solution to swap the seat ID of every two consecutive students. If the number of students is odd and the ID of the last students is not swapped, so then we run the result table ordered by ID in ascending order, and the result format is in the following example. In this example here you can see it. Here they give an input by the name of seat table. In the ID is 1 2 3 4 5, and the output having student is Abbott, Duris, Emerson, Green, and James. Okay, and the outputs have been coming 1 2 3 4 5 like Doris, Abbott, Green, Emerson, James. Okay, like this type of output have been coming. Now let's come down, and you are thinking why the same output I am coming, because note that if the number of students is odd, there is no need to change the last one seat. Okay, so the number this input of the number is odd, so that's why we not change the last seat, so that's why it is giving the same as it is. Okay, now here is a very small question which we want to know. Okay, it is saying me, note that if the number of students is odd, there is no need to change the last one seat. So here you can see it in the output, we do not change any last seed. Okay, here you can see it. Now let's try to solve it in the LeetCode Cam website. Anyways, this question, let's start to solve this question in the LeetCode Cam website. So let's start. So first of all, this is a medium question which we are solving, and total 5 lakh 4,000 people have submitted it, and only 3 lakh 67,778 has been accepted, and total acceptance range is 72.9%. And there's only one topic I'm included in today's question by the name of database. Now let's start to solve it in MySQL. Okay. So here we want to write my MySQL query statement below. So first of all we define select case when id, then module sign right here 2 equals to 1, and then id plus 1 in, and then define select id from seat, and seat has to be in capital, then id plus 1. And then when we do this all the thing, let's give the space here, right here when id, then module sign one more time, 2 equals to 0, then id minus 1, perfect, enter. Define here else id, enter, and as id comma student from seat SLV capital and ordered by id, perfect. Now here we read about all the code, so now last thing is to run this code. So now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been also be accepted and I beat, now sorry, I did not beat because I did not submitted it, still I did not submitted it, not told me how many people I beat. So now let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, so then the submission code has been also be accepted and I beat 16.24% people only. Okay, so now let's paste this solution. So now let me copy these all the things and then paste it here. 397 hours and made 16.24% and then posted. So here in today's video we solve a question number 626 by the name of exchange sheets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And I want to tell you one more thing. In the previous video, like I have told you, I am telling you one thing which you want to know. Means if you want to solve any question of a LeetCode camp, so you want to know these things. So these skills must you know these all the skills if you want to solve the LeetCode camp video, LeetCode camp questions. So you can see it in the fundamental, you know these array string, because total 149 question has been based on array, so that's why in the fundamental you know these things if you want to solve LeetCode camp questions like array, string, sorting, matrix, tag, simulation, enumerations, and two pointers. And in the intermediate one, you want to know these things: hash table, math, greedy, depth first search, binary tree, search tree, bit manipulation, and breadth first search. And advanced, you must know these things: dynamic programming, segment tree, monostick stack, binary index tree, backtracking, shortest path, bitmarks, and cape theory. You know these all the skills if you want to solve any question of a LeetCode camp. Okay, so now I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solve over this question 626. Okay, and MySQL, and total 250 questions I have solved so far. Okay, so now come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan, and total 4.5k subscriber you have completed, so please complete 5,000 subscribers on this channel and see my all the videos, and come on to your playlist and please access my playlist at book market also, so it will be also be helpful for you. All this playlist also helpful for you. If you complete 139 views, so complete 500 views on this playlist. You know, let's meet in the next video amazing video. So for today, goodbye.